YouTube! Oh! We are celebrating 15 years of Light Elegance being on YouTube, and who doesn't like a good party and a great celebration? And do we have something for you to help us celebrate?
We have not only a special treat here, but since we have 40K subscribers on our 15th birthday,
yes.
we are doing a giveaway. And it's gonna be 5 winners. We're gonna have 1 grand huge winner, and then we're gonna have 4 other winners that are gonna win something special. So read below in the caption to know what you win and how to enter on all the LE platforms. We are so excited to share this celebration with you.
We want to celebrate with you, so join in, sign up, win some great prizes, and just celebrate and eat cake today.
Woo, yeah!